Hello YouTube. Chachi is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to change the default photo viewer in Windows 11. So to change the default photo viewer, just click here the search icon and open settings, or you can type here settings. Just I found it here, so I'm going to open the settings. Then after that, click on here apps. So here you will find default apps. Click on that. Then scroll down to the bottom until you find photos, which is under the P category. You will find here the photos. So click on photos. Then there are, which is set the default file type or link type. So here different file extensions for photos. So select whatever you want based on your preference. So you can select and you can change. So to change that, just click here the arrow here, which is seen here. Now it will give you how do you want. So if you have any other applications here, you can select, or else you can select here more apps and you can change that. If you want for this one, for example, let's scroll down to the bottom here. For example, if for a photo types .gif, so select here the arrow, and here different applications are here: paint, snipping tool, and other. So you can select for, let's select here paint and select here OK. Now as you can see here, it's changed into paint format. So you can change the default photo viewer based on your preference by going to the default apps, and under photos you can convert to any of your preferences. So I hope this video helped you, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chachi out.